Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear the app data folder in Windows and why doing this can fix the slow apps, free storage and solve random errors. It's safe when done correctly, so I will walk you through the steps. First of all, you need to basically, in order to open the app data, you just have to press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to type a command in it. The command is this %appdata%. Once you type it, simply hit OK. Now, once you do this, it is going to take you to the roaming folder. There you need to go back to the main app data directory. You will see the local low and the roaming there. The safest thing to clear are the temporary files and the leftover folders from the apps that you uninstall. You need to open the local, look for the temp, select everything inside and delete it. These are just cache files. Windows doesn't need anymore. So clearing the app data can help you fixing the issues like app not opening, games are crashing, launching relating problems, or programs storing too much junk over time. So this is how you can clear your app data folder in Windows, and this is how it is going to help your PC run smoother. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.